ダメだねダメよダメなのよあんたが好きで好きすぎてどれだけ
Dame Dane, a song that has probably been stuck in your head for over 2 months now. We've seen tens, maybe hundreds of Dame Dane videos since the beginning of July of people being deepfaked singing to the song. But what is the story behind the song? What are deepfakes? And why were these two combined to create one of the most original memes ever? That's what we'll explore in this video. Don't forget to smash the like button if you haven't done that already, and with that done, let's just get straight into the video. The Dame Dane meme has two main characteristics. It's the song and the deepfake. Let's take a look at both. The song we know as Dame Dane is actually titled Baka Mitai. It's a Japanese song that's featured in the Yakuza game series. Yakuza is a game series that shows the way of life of actual Yakuza, who are Japanese criminals that can be compared to a mafia-like organization. The game focuses on Kazuma Kiryu, who is a member of the Tojo clan. The game follows Kiryu and his life in and outside of the Yakuza. There's currently 10 Yakuza games, and in 2 of these games, you have the option to sing karaoke as a side mission, and one of the songs you can sing is Baka Mitai. In 2018, the song became a meme within the Yakuza community, where videos such as this were created. It's clear that these were mostly inside jokes, but in 2020, this song became widespread when it was combined with the deepfake technology. Deepfake technology is quite complicated and it's still in its early stages. The technology used in this meme is called Phomia. It was released on February 29th of 2020, and I'll leave a link in the description where you can check out how you can make these deepfakes yourself. In 2017, YouTuber Dobie Rules uploaded a video of himself lip-syncing to the Baka Mitai song, and this was the video that became the template for the Dame Dane deepfakes. Shaggy Suave re-uploaded this video to YouTube on the 29th of July of this year, and the video is currently sitting at 600,000 views. Even though this technology only became widespread in 2020, there is a video from 2018 of the Dame Dane face morph. It was uploaded by Gliv, and it's a video of the mirror from Shrek singing Baka Mitai. This video was really ahead of its time, as the next clip was only made 2 years later, on July 10th of 2020. It was Twitter user Hey It's Wendy who uploaded this video.
I'll get biscuit nut. Hey, what's up? Can I get a number 15 Burger King foot lettuce? You guys don't sell that. Bruh. Well, I guess I'll take the finest chicken nuggies you guys sell. Cash or card? Do you accept Reddit karma?
In the video, you see Yandev, who is a controversial game developer. Hey It's Wendy is considered to be the trendsetter of these deepfake memes, but it was @TordoCod who first uploaded the Dame Dane deepfake. He used a famous picture of Linus Tech Tips, a tech YouTuber. He also made a video of Yandev singing the Baka Mitai song. These deepfakes quickly got popular as they're really original and funny. Making people sing a song or say random stuff is new. This deepfake technology is also new and still requires a lot of tweaking, but it's obvious that there's a lot of potential. As a meme, this is never gonna go away. We're going to be seeing a lot of different deepfakes with different songs and different sentences. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you learned something new, then don't forget to smash the like button if you haven't done that already, and subscribe if you're new. And now you can either click on the video on the left or click on my playlist on the right. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.